Welcome back guys. Today we are going to cover the head and tail commands. I hope you are enjoying the videos, so do not forget to subscribe and do press the bell icon to receive notifications about the latest videos. After going through this video, you will be able to view first few lines of a file, the last few lines of a file. You will also learn how you can see content being updated in a file in real time. That is, if you are an admin, you can view in real time when someone is updating a file or a log file is being getting updated. And last, we will also learn how to view lines starting from a specific line in a file, like how you can view all the contents of a file starting from the, let us suppose, 10th line. So let's start now. The head command lists the first 10 lines of a file by default. So it gives you an overview about what are the contents in a file. Now let us first create a file using the nano editor. So write nano and any file name that you want. Let us suppose learn_head. Now write more than 10 lines in it. So then only you will be able to see the difference of using head and not using head. Once you have finished typing the content, press Ctrl X, then press Y to confirm and enter. Now the file is created. Now head command is pretty simple to use. Just write head and then use the file name. So write head learn_head, that is the file name. And you can see the first 10 lines. Okay, so you have written more than 10 lines, but using head, we are just looking at the first 10 lines of the file. Now let's learn how to change the behavior of the command using some options. So what if you want to see only first 5 lines or 15 lines? So you don't want the default behavior, but you want some lines of your choice. The option for this is -n. So you write head -n, the number of lines you want to see, let us say 5, and then the file name. There you go, just the 5 lines. Now try this one out on your own. Easy, right? The next option is about listing the characters instead of lines. So what if you want to view first 10 characters and not the lines? The answer is you use -c option. So you write head -c, then the number of characters that you want, let us suppose 10, and then the file name. So in my case, the file name is learn_head, and we get the first 10 characters only. Now try one question on your own. So that was all about the head command. So it was pretty simple. That head command is just going to give you the first 10 lines or n lines or n characters that you want to see from the file. The next command is tail command. Now tail does exactly the opposite of head. That is, it will show you the contents from the bottom of the file. So head has shown you the top lines, whereas now tail will show you the bottom few lines. So if I write tail and then the file name, it will show me the last 10 lines from the file. So by default, tail is also going to list you 10 lines, but from the bottom. Now let's learn about some options to use with tail command. So what if you want only last 5 lines? So similar to head, the option is -n. So you write tail -n, the number of lines you want, let us say 5, and the file name. There you go, the last 5 lines. Try this question on your own. The next option is about listing the characters instead of lines. So what if you want to view the last 10 characters? The option is -c. So you write tail -c, then the number of characters, let us say 10, and then the file name. And we get the last 10 characters. So one practice question for you to try out. The third option is really interesting. Sometimes you want to see the contents being updated to a file at real time. Means someone is, let us suppose, updating a file and you want to see then and there what content is being added. So the option for that is -f. To practice this, you need to open two terminals or two terminal windows. On one window, you write tail minus F and then the name of the file for which you want to see the content being updated. Now see that the file remains open. That is, the control has not returned to the command prompt. In normal case, after listing the contents, the control came back to the command prompt, but not this time because now you will be able to see the contents once it gets updated. Next, go to the other window, and here I will use cat command to redirect some content into the file. So I write cat double redirection sign and then the same file name that I have opened on the other window. Now double redirection sign is going to append the content to the existing content in the file. Now see, as I keep on typing and press enter, the content gets updated on the other window. Alright, so this is how -F can help you to view the contents in real time. Now finally let us try a couple of questions based on whatever we have done so far. The first question is, how can you view all the contents of a file except the last 5 characters? Pause the video and try it out. So I hope you got it correct. The answer is head -C -5 and then the file name. So the only change here is I will use minus with the character number. So earlier we used head -C and then the number, whatever number of characters you want. But if you write minus along with that, then it is going to show me everything except the number of characters that we have mentioned. Next question is, what will be the command to view all the lines of the file starting from the 5th line? So I want to see all the contents of the file, all the lines of the file, but starting from the 5th line. Okay, it doesn't matter how many lines we have in the file, the output should contain or should start from the 5th line. So try it out and see if you can get the correct answer. So the answer is tail -n +5 and then the file name. Okay, so we're going to use here tail command along with the -n option, but now along with the number I'm going to write the plus symbol. The plus sign means that the output will start from that particular number. So that's it from my side. Hope that you have got some deep insight into how we can use tail and head command. For further reading, visit this link. Keep sharing and keep watching Dex Tutor.